Building a classifier boundary, part 2. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be picking up where we left off last time. So we've brought in our column names, we've adjusted them slightly using list comprehension, appended it, and then brought in and had this nice data frame right here. Now, what we need to do is we need to isolate Setosa and non-Setosa flowers. So let's go ahead and do that. First, let's carve out petal length. All right. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So like I was saying in last video, you're going to spend a lot of time. Setosa, I think I'm spelling that right. Then we have our data frame and name. Helps if you name, block that out, equals, and I want to grab this, make sure I do this right. So what am I doing here? I am creating a Boolean filter. A Boolean, a Boolean series, I believe. Here, hang on, let's test. Type. Yep, it is a series because this is one column. So now, these are typically used to then filter. So now I've created this. So now what I'm going to do is I then take my entire data frame. And this is probably one of the petal length. I think that's how I spelled it. Then I'm going to pass in my filter, Setosa. And this needs to be inside brackets. All right. Now watch this. Let's throw this inside a print statement. Lowercase petal. All right. 1.9. Now this is probably one of the coolest things that I love about this. So now this is the key that is up on the you could do this one of two ways, but I like doing this way. You could create a new variable and just go non-Setosa, but I like this because it's here and then everything that is not. So then I do min. So this is basically the inverse. So when I created Setosa, and then I do this, and this key, I never learned the name of it. Oops. It is up above the tab and to the left of the 1 with the shift. So when I do this, if we look really close, this has done the complete inverse. So these are Setosa petal lengths, and these are non-Setosa, the opposite. So now that I'm doing this right here, and you cannot see this, my apologies. There we go. Setosa max, non-Setosa min. So I want you to think about this. So here is the boundary. You think about how we visualize this. And now this is how far the petal length is. It is 1.9 centimeters is the max of this size, and this is the min of the non. So we have that much separation. So we have 1.1 centimeters separation between these two types of flowers. 1.1 centimeter separation between these flowers. So we're going to begin to build on this, and then we're going to take this and we're going to graph this out, or we're going to attempt to. That's my goal. We'll see if I'm able to do that in the next few days. And the lighting has been really annoying, so I'm hoping these videos have not been too bad. But please make sure you're jumping to the Discord server, asking any questions, comments, video requests over there too. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.